Hey, hey, hey. Today we are going to solve this problem. Divide player into team of equal skills. Let me read you the problem statement. You are given a positive integer array skills of even length numbers or n, where skill I donated the skill of I players. Okay, each number of I is representing the skill level. It's great. Divide the player into n over 2 team of size 2 says that the total skill of each team is equal. So we are going to divide two players, and like we are going to add those skills, and if they are equally divided by for the whole skills or the whole arrays, like we are going to return something. But we are going to return the chemistry of team is equal to product of skill of the player on that team. Oh, there is something called as like chemistry of the team. It means like if you are equally divided by those things, we are going to return like the products of those skills. Return the sum of chemistry, or after producting, we are going to sum up every chemistry. Otherwise, we are going to return one. Yeah, that's the whole problem. Let me show you this example and we'll working together. Divide the player into the following teams: 1, 5, 2, 4, and 3, 3. It means like all of the team are total skill of 6. If you are add them, but when we are returning those things, we are going to multiply it. 5 times 1 plus 2 times 4, the same thing, 3 times 3. Then we are going to add those things and return it. Okay, the problem is not that kind of difficult to think. What we need to do is we need to sort this number, and we are going to use two pointer. Oh, how did we know like if the total skill is going to be 6? We are going to sum up every element in the array and divide by the length of this array over 2. It means like we need to divide by pair by pair. That's how we're going to do it. Let me show you example. We are going to sort this number. When we are sort, we got this 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. After sorting this number, we got this number. Then we are going to use two pointer to determine if the value is 6. We need to sum up every element. 5, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 50, 80. Sum is equal to 80, and the length of the array is 6. 6 divided by 2, 3. If you are this thing divided by 3, we got total is equal to 6. Then we are going to check if 1 plus 5 is 6. If it's 6, we are going to return sum of 1 times 5. Then we are going to continue everything like this one. Let's code a little bit to get understand what I'm talking about. We are going to take total sum. It's gonna be like sum of skill. The first thing we need to do, we need to take our length of skill. Let's create our pair. Here is going to be n over 2. After that, we are going to find our target. Target is going to be total sum is going to be divided by like pairs. That's how we are going to do it. After that, like our result going to be, or our chemistry is going to store in some variable. Let's call it that thing in rows. Let's sort our skills. Skill dot sort. After that, we can create our two pointer method to determine if the first and the last element is like equal to target. Then we're going to shrink it into the middle part. To do that, let's point to left and right. Left is going to be 0 and right is going to be the last element of the index. Means length of skill -1. That's what I'm going to do. While left less than right, what we are going to do, we are going to check if the skill of left as skill of right is equal to our target. That's what we're going to do. If this condition is satisfied, our result is going to be increment, yeah, multiplication of skill of left times skill of right. That's what we are going to do to sum the multiplication of left and right. After that, if that condition is not satisfied, we are going to return -1. Then we are going to modify our pointer to move forward with is. Otherwise, the right going to be decremented by 1. And we are going to return our result. That's what we are going to do it. Wrong answer. What happened? Right going to be decremented. Right is going to increment like multiplication of this thing. If target skills of L plus R. Did I miss something? Why this thing is returning -1 if the condition is satisfied? What am I missing? I have no idea what I'm missing. Why this thing is not working? Okay, press. Oh, sort function is not working. That's why. It's worked perfectly. Thank you guys for watching this video.